Friday evening. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood watch for southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, the lower Hudson Valley, New York City, and Long Island. From Friday morning through Friday evening, heavy rain showers and embedded thunderstorms are forecast Friday into Friday evening. A total of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall is forecast with locally higher amounts possible. Torrential rainfall within a short period of time will be possible, and this could lead to flooding of low-lying, urban, and poor drainage areas. Some smaller streams and rivers could exceed bankful. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Oh, Boston's getting on the bandwagon. Here we go.
Flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a flash flood watch for Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. From Friday afternoon through Saturday morning, rainfall of 1 to 2 inches is expected across southern New England. The heaviest rainfall will occur Friday night into Saturday morning, where locally higher amounts may occur and cause flash flooding. Some smaller streams and rivers could exceed bankful. A flash flood watch means
88.9's doing it.
flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later. Flash flood warnings be issued. Across southern New England.
Well, that was so WXG 42, WXG 41, and 88.9 FM. Okay, I'm starting to get the feeling 88.9 just relays whatever they can relay.
Yeah.
Like 92.1 WMNC.
Exactly.
OMG. That's a first in this whole line of questioning. What's that? Hold on. Whoa.
The marine forecast.
Whoa!
Island Sound.
Tropical storm warning. That's a rare one.
A tropical storm warning is in effect for the following areas in New York, Manhattan, Bronx, Northern Queens, Southern Queens, Brooklyn, Staten Island, Northern Nassau, Southern Nassau, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest
Oh my
Suffolk,
gosh.
Southern Westchester, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk, and the following areas in New Jersey, Eastern Essex, Eastern Union and Hudson, and the following areas in Connecticut, Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, and Southern New London. The marine forecast for Long Island.
I just missed it, so I caught that last rerun of it. So basically, apparently, a flash or a tropical storm warning has been issued now. That's a first for me, and also, last tropical storm warning issued for that particular area was, I think, 2015, if not 2016. I'm not too sure, but hey, it's another rare credit I got to see. Another one.
Zizzy. Flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood watch for portions of northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and east central New York, including the following areas in northwestern Connecticut, northern Litchfield, and southern Litchfield. In western Massachusetts, northern Berkshire, and southern Berkshire. In east central New York, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Green, eastern Ulster, western Columbia, western Dutchess, western Green, and western Ulster. From Friday afternoon through Saturday morning, tropical low pressure moving up the mid-Atlantic coastline will bring periods of showers to the region. Friday afternoon through fall rates may reach up to 1 inch per hour. Heavy rain is falling in a short flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. The National Weather Service flooding will be possible in certain areas as well for portions of northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, and east central New York, including the following areas in northwestern Connecticut, northern Litchfield, and southern Litchfield. In western Massachusetts, eastern Columbia, eastern Dutchess, eastern Green, eastern Ulster, western Columbia, western Dutchess. Zizzy. Flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. The National Weather Boston Ordinance has issued a flash flood watch for Connecticut, Massachusetts, Rhode Island. Reach up to 1 inch per Friday afternoon through Saturday morning rainfall 1 to 2 inches is expected across southern New England. The heaviest rainfall will occur Friday night into Saturday morning, where locally high mountains as well, and cause flash flooding. Significant flooding of urban areas and small streams is possible. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop to lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. A tropical storm warning is...
Here comes the first one of the day.
National Weather Service in Upper New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York until 4:45 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain with rainfall rates up to around 1 inch per hour across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Freeport, Valley Stream, Long Beach, Glen Cove, Garden City, Lynbrook, Mineola, Westbury, Great Neck, Massapequa, Woodmere, Levittown, Hempstead, Shadehurst, and Brooksville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Nassau, and Queens. Here is the forecast.
Alright then, that's the first alert of the day here, I guess.